So at DeepMirror, we use generative AI to help companies ideate drug molecules that have higher chances of preclinical success, which essentially enables companies to get into the clinic around 10 to 100 times faster than ever before. We're really focused on making AI massively accessible to everyone in the industry, almost like a co-ideation kind of approach where the AI and the human can work together in developing drug molecules. So our product effectively reduces the costs of drug development and manufacturing, as it enables companies to get to preclinical and clinical candidates much faster, which effectively means that previously unaddressable diseases become addressable.
The timeline right now is about 10 years to get a drug from idea to patient. And this clearly is not sustainable for facing the challenges of health, especially on a global scale. So we need to speed that up. So how can we do it? We are really looking at the preclinical phase, in which a lot of the decisions made early on will have a lot of impact later on in clinical trials. DeepMirror offers an unbiased view in which to look at the evidence that then the scientists can combine with their own experience and intuition so that they can speed up the whole process of designing the best drug.
So a lot of companies that we work with and help discover drugs, these companies are handling assets that are potentially worth billions of dollars. So from a very early stage of DeepMirror, we've taken security very seriously because we want to protect their data. And we often need to have security practices that are stronger than the companies that we're actually working with to protect their assets.
A lot of the technologies that we use and that we're trying to give access to chemists are very, very complicated. A really important part of it is making those easy to understand and easy to use for people who might not have a technological background. So we're really just trying to open up the world of kind of advanced AI to people who might not have very much technology or computer experience even. So even things just like using the interface to try and make the most of like the generative models and predictive models that we have on the app. Just making those as easy to understand and easy to use as possible, really.
Well, I'm very optimistic about the future of DeepMirror. First of all, because in the second half of last year, we closed a funding round kickstarted by our investor partnership grant with Innovate UK, which is really going to help us reach some ambitious goals in terms of where we bring the product, but also the different markets we can reach.
The biggest impact it has is really on kind of the growth and the motivation of the team. You really feel like you're making an impact when you're supported by a group like Innovate UK for sure.
So we launched our product about a year ago and already had huge uptake over the last year, with more than 10 corporations using the product in their everyday life already. So I think the coming year will be quite exciting, and we might actually have to scale up our operations sooner than we thought.
I believe Innovate has been an incredible partner and a very generous partner to fund some of our early projects in order to take the DeepMirror platform to where it is today. I would pretty confidently say that DeepMirror wouldn't be where it is today, or maybe wouldn't exist at all without the support of Innovate UK.